Sweeties. Today we are making Jungle Safari baby shower treats. I already have my chocolate melted. I use the almond bark and the Ghirardelli, if that's how you pronounce it, Ghirardelli white chocolate chips. And this is the consistency that you want your chocolate to be, flowing nicely and well melted. First, I'm going to start with the molds. I'm going to do my chocolate covered Oreos, and then I'm going to do my animals in chocolate as well. So let's get started. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. And you want to tap down. Try to get rid of as much air bubbles as possible. Put your Oreo in and push it down slightly. You make me move. You make me move. The Oreos are in, and then you want to just cover the top with a little bit more chocolate. And you want to tap down again. After you fill the chocolate mold, you want to place them in the fridge. Right now I'm going to set them right there so I can do the animal molds at the same time. And like I said, tap down to get rid of air bubbles and to make sure the chocolate is covering the entire mold. I got this cute little safari mold with all the animals from Amazon. So cute. I am going to use this with fondant, but I also want to see how it works with chocolate. So that's what I'm about to do now, fill it with chocolate. Since the mold is so small, I decided to use a Ziploc bag. You can use a pastry bag as well. You just want to make sure you get all of the crevices covered with chocolate. All right, so I'm using these paper straws, and I'm going to be making chocolate covered marshmallows with sprinkles. So I'm just going to make a hole first in the marshmallow, and I'm going to dip the paper straw into the chocolate and then back into the marshmallow. And that's just to secure the stick onto the marshmallow. Hole. Dip in chocolate and back into the hole. And they do tend to lean, but you want to try to get it as straight as possible. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move. I'm using the Sugar Art Wedding Gold and Sterling Pearl. with some organic lemon extract to make a splash, a gold splash.